in Shore Acres, in St. Petersburg, where so many of our neighbors are grappling with hotter temperatures, deluges, flooding, and your work shining a light on the drivers of the property insurance crisis in Florida and across the country tied to climate pollution has given families across this area a little bit of hope. We are paying more for our insurance here in the state of Florida than any other state. Right now, on average, folks are paying over $6,000 annually. It has practically doubled just in the past few years. And folks are looking for solutions. Here in Florida, unfortunately, Governor DeSantis has not been focused on reducing climate risk. He's kept Florida addicted to fossil gas that is exacerbating the climate crisis, higher temperatures, the flooding. And it's about time that state leaders begin to help solve the problem by reducing the drivers of climate change, and that is the pollution, the burning of fossil fuels that is fueling a crisis here in the state of Florida, but all across the country, all across the globe. And I'm grateful for your leadership in shining a light on solutions and what we can do here in the state of Florida to help lower people's costs, lower their electric bills, and lower their property insurance rates.
Well, thank you. Congressman Castor has been really exemplary in trying to handle the climate crisis effectively, and I'm really honored to be here with her. I'm here for really two reasons. Florida is first and worst in what climate change is doing to property insurance rates, but I'm from Rhode Island. I know a preview of coming attractions when I see one. This is coming to all coastal areas of the United States. So understanding what's going on in Florida is really important to us. The other piece of this that is important is that we have had in the Senate Budget Committee testimony from the big mortgage companies that a property insurance crisis cascades into a mortgage crisis. And when you can't get mortgages, that cascades into a property values crash. That is the word that the Freddie Mac chief economist used. So we're looking at consequences from Florida all around the coastal parts of America and cascading through the American economy. So getting it right in Florida and learning here really matters. And the number one lesson is you can't solve your property insurance problem unless you solve the climate problem. And so when government is in denial about the climate problem, they are hurting you. And we need to correct that. We need government at all levels to pay attention to the climate crisis, because it's not polar bears any longer, folks. It's your property insurance today. So thank you again, Congressman Castor.
Thank you. Do you all have any questions?
Yes, sir. What did you learn today? You heard a lot in the last hour or so that you didn't know before you came in here this morning.
Yeah, I think the human impact of what it means for folks when they see a huge jump in their property insurance, the heartbreak of living in a home